Habit number 1. Sitting for long hours. One of the fastest ways to reduce lifespan after 70 is prolonged sitting. When you sit too long, blood flow slows, muscles shrink, circulation weakens, and your heart has to work harder. Seniors who sit more than 7 to 8 hours a day have a significantly higher risk of heart disease and mobility decline. Even light movement like standing every 30 minutes, short indoor walks, or gentle stretching can drastically improve longevity. Your body needs motion, not marathon exercise. Habit number 2. Skipping protein in meals. After 70, your body loses muscle at almost double the speed compared to younger adults. That means low-protein meals can lead to weakness, falls, and slow recovery from illness. Protein helps maintain strength, balance, and immunity. Seniors should not skip eggs, Greek yogurt, lentils, beans, chicken, fish, or high-protein shakes. Strong muscles equal a longer life.